The ingredients required for this recipe are half cup of milk, chocolate powder, cashews, cinnamon powder, icing sugar and chocolate biscuits. I have bourbon and hide and seek biscuits over here. You can check any chocolate biscuits. I'll put the chocolate biscuits inside my mixer. Okay, it's time for a quick mix and it's ready. See, it's powdered like this. Just see. Nice? Yeah. And it should be like this because we'll make a dough using this. We need to make a very nicely made powder. Now I'll transfer this powder into a bowl. Alright, I'll just make a quick mix. I'll add some cinnamon powder into the chocolate powder. Yep, it's alright. Now it's time for me to add some more ingredients. I'll add the cocoa powder, which is sweetened cocoa powder of Cooky. You can use any product of any company. And I'll add some icing sugar. I made this icing sugar yesterday. That's why it's a bit kind of frozen, but it's alright. This can happen with anybody's icing sugar, but it's alright, no issues. Okay. Now I have to mix this well. Using a spoon I'm mixing this. Now while I mix, let me tell you something. Haven't subscribed to Cooky Group yet? Well, subscribe now and put a thumbs up to this video if you like it. And this recipe will be really very tasty. When we mix things well, the taste also turns out to be good, right? So I'm mixing it well, and like me, you also have to mix. And this is a very easy method to make chocoballs. Just see, it's turning into brown color. I have done mixing and it's mixed well, isn't it? Now here I have a half cup of milk, and I have to add the milk on this chocolate powder little by little. Not the whole of it at once, and I have to make a dough. So let me make a dough, and the dough is made. The dough should be like this, a choco dough. Doesn't it look tasty? Well, I have to take out some of it and make a choco ball, and it's really very easy to make a ball. Even kids can make balls, and this recipe is super easy and it's super tasty. I'm making a ball. Yep, perfect ball has come out. I'm wearing gloves because it's hygienic. Alright, see, it's like a ball. Now I have a plate and I have to position my ball, and I'll add half a cashew into it. Cashews are really very tasty, and especially this is a recipe for kids, and cashews are really very tasty and healthy. Now I'll add half a cashew on this choco ball. It's a perfect choco ball. Now let me make the other choco balls. Yay! It's made so tasty, right? And it's really very easy to make. And I'll test some of it now, but before that, see how it looks. Tasty, right? Make it at home one day. I'll have some. Just superb, awesome, right? I'll have the whole of it. No worries. So if you haven't already subscribed to Cooky Group yet, subscribe now and put a thumbs up to this video if you like it. And it's time for me to go. So I'll come back again some other day. Bye bye.